My favorite models, it's called 39AKFFL. It's unit number 12189. We'll take a walk around it. You've got white lineals, white windows, white trim on a gray background. It's a 2021 Quailridge. House type rear entry door. Going all around it. We'll take a walk around it. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner. It's got outside water spigot. Again, it's gray with white trim and gray corners. So let's go on in and check it out. We've got 4 in stock right now, with more on the way in the spring of 2021. Probably won't get any this winter. Get a few. Sectional sofa, coffee table. Got the fireplace going. Ceiling fan. Kitchen. Smoke alarm chirping. Nice flooring. Angle kitchen. 5-burner stove. Stainless appliances means it has a convection microwave. Stainless steel sink with the pull-out sprayer. Over here, we have a gigantic Lazy Susan in the corner cabinet. Convection microwave. There's the 5-burner 30-inch range. Storage under the stairs. You also will have your water heater under there. There's your water heater access for winterizing and stuff. Hall pantry. How's that for a cool thing? Got a hall closet, which you can house your brooms or vacuum cleaner in. Nice tall closet. Been nice if I had my light on in the hallway. There we go. A little more light. Let's go check out the bathroom. It's got a window. It's got a corner vanity. It's got a porcelain house toilet. Glass doors. Fiberglass tub surround. Frontline fiberglass shower tub. Got a lot of drawers and some storage under the sink, along with the medicine cabinet. Heading into the back room here. This is the only carpet. We have carpet in the master bedroom only. Queen bed, which can be situated either way. It's a freestanding queen bed. That's the Quailridge signature wardrobe with lights in the closets. Go ahead and turn them on so you can see inside the closets. Pretty cool, huh? The drawer guides are full extension ball bearing drawer guides, so you can get all the way into your drawers. Behind the mirror is a nicely laid out circuit breaker box. Out of sight, out of mind. Everything clearly marked in it. Probably the last thing I got to show you is the loft. So let's go check out the loft. We're coming back into the hallway. Close my closet. I already got the bathroom door closed. There's your hall pantry. There's storage under the stairs. So going up to the stairs, we have about a half loft here. About half the trailer is loft. And the only carpet in here is in the loft and the master bedroom. You got an auxiliary air conditioner to keep any guests that are playing or sleeping up here nice and cool. And there's an entertainment center. So that pretty well sums it up. Quailridge 39AKFFL, unit number 12189. It's gray with white shutters and white trim, white lineals. Let's go have a look inside. It's got a house type rear entry door. The two little round circles you see by the doors is where the outside lights go, and they're included. It's got a 20-gallon electric hot water heater, and it's roughly 14 feet 6 inches tall going down the road. So let's go on in. Well, I call it the angle kitchen flat floor loft. Flat floor means there's no step down into the master bedroom. So if you're looking back into the master bedroom here, you'll see there's no step down. And also you notice the nice gray plank linoleum throughout the entire trailer. There is carpeting in the stairs, the loft, and the master bedroom only. The rest of the trailer has this beautiful plank flooring. It's really cool looking. It's PVC flooring. So everything in them stays in them. You've got a fireplace, which is for show, or it will actually put out heat. It's got a bunch of different settings on it. I just have it set to the default setting. There's a sleeper sectional sofa. Every piece of furniture in this stays in it. Lamps, end tables, swivel chairs. Yes, they swivel. Got a lot of nice storage in here. That's a pass-through. Stainless steel faucet, single lever faucet. 30-inch 5-burner range. MSRP on this baby's right at $70,000. It's got a stainless convection microwave. That's a 30-inch stainless convection microwave. 18.5 cubic foot fridge. There's a nice Lazy Susan. Check that out. That should be plenty of storage for the most discerning chef around. Okay, nice little backsplash. Breakfast bar is cool. There's a slide out trash can. All the drawers have ball bearing drawer guides that allows for full extension, and you can load them up. There is shelving, adjustable shelving in most, if not all, of the cabinets. And there's the serial number and date of manufacture. Okay. There's storage under the loft stairs. Not a lot of storage. There's water heater access from the inside and out. There's a hall pantry. Check that out. A lot of storage there. This is one of our more popular models, I can tell you right now. If you look at all these cabinets, you can fit a 60-inch TV also. So, continuing through the hallway, there's a hall closet. Let's go look at the hall closet. Check that out. Yep. Vacuums, brooms, anything tall can go in the hall closet. Let's go check out the bathroom. It's actually a pretty nice bathroom. It's got a tub shower surround with glass doors. Front line one-piece tub shower. So having both the tub and the shower is a good deal. You can get shower only if you prefer with the low threshold entry. There's your corner vanity. Nice window in the bathroom. Here's the medicine cabinet. Take a look in there. Got a little bit of shelving. You have storage underneath the medicine cabinet. And again, you've got your full extension ball bearing drawer guides in the bathroom. Porcelain house type stool, of course. That's common. The house type rear entry door is an option that I highly recommend to anybody buying one of these. Who wants a trailer door in a park model? Not me. I want a house type door with the deadbolt and a doorknob. Okay, so come on in the master bedroom. As I explained earlier, this is the only place there's carpet and is in the master bedroom. It's got your Quailridge wardrobe with lights in both sides of the closet and 8 drawers, all of which have the full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Light inside the closet with a nice closet rod. That's on both sides. You've got a queen Serta mattress, Serta Dreamscape mattress. Nice pillow top Serta mattress. There's a little sheep for a good night's sleep. The power panel is behind the mirror in the master bedroom with all the breakers clearly marked. Good place for it. Nightstand and a lamp. The only thing left to see now is the loft. The moment you've all been waiting for. This has about a half loft, so roughly 200 square foot. Loft covers about half the trailer, and floor to peak, roughly 4 feet. You can get up to 60 inches, but you have to have a step down into the master bedroom in order to have that. This model does not offer that feature. So you got a wardrobe in the corner, an auxiliary air conditioner to keep the upstairs cool, and an entertainment center. So if this doubles as one of your kids' bedrooms or play area, there's room for, probably at least 3 queen size air mattresses up here. And then it would be overlooking the downstairs area here. Well, once again, I made this video to try to address what everybody was complaining about lately. I know a lot of people don't like fisheye cameras, but I tell you what, you can sure get a lot more pictures with them. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. A lot more fits. But I understand this is the traditional linear cinematic view. So let me know how you like this video. This is Kelly signing off from Kelly.